Hi UKG, welcome back to your GK class. Hope you all are staying well. Today we are going to do chapters which are related to our half yearly syllabus. I hope you all remember yesterday I have already shared the syllabus with you. I have already told you before also that there are topics which can be repeated in both the subjects EVS and GK. Right? So, today the topic which we are going to do is healthy food. We have done in our EVS class. This time we will do few more things. Kiki dekbo UKG amra? We will learn the names of pictures which are related with healthy food. So, let's go for it. So, what is the first picture you can see? It's spinach. Spinach. Pronounce after me. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Green leafy vegetables are always good for health. Keep in your diet chart. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. 7-letter word. 7-letter word. Learn in this way, then you can by heart the names also. Clear? Next picture. Beetroot. Beetroot. What is the color? You can see it's almost maroon in color. Dark maroon, right? What is the spelling? B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Beetroot. 8-letter word. Beetroot. 8-letter word. Eat these vegetables which I am showing you now and keep yourself healthy. Now can you say UKG children? What is this? This is called cabbage. This is called cabbage. Pronounce after me. Cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. 7-letter word. 7-letter word. See the color? It's green in color. The outer cover, there are leaves. Okay? We just remove the leaves and then we cut into pieces and then we cook. You should eat this, and when it comes to your home, ask Mama to allow you to touch this. Clear? This is something which UKG children loves to eat. What is this? Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. 6-letter word. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Repeat after me. Carrot. And what's the color? Orangish. Right? So, orange in color at the bottom, and see upper part, it's green leafy part. Okay? This is also very good for health. Vegetables and fruits, whatever names we are doing now, these are all good for health. It will keep you boosted. It will keep your immune power strong. It will keep you healthy. You will walk, you will work, you will do everything smartly, quickly, with energy and power. Okay? So you should always keep all these items which we are doing now in your diet chart. Clear? This gives you immune power and it helps you to move on. Okay? Now let's see few names of fruits. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Repeat after me. Pomegranate. I know the spelling is little longer one. So we will do it in fill in the blanks pattern. Okay. Pomegranate. See children, inside you can see seeds are there. Inside you can see seeds are there. Sometimes we make juice of it. Sometimes we eat as it is. Okay. The outer cover is hard but the seeds are soft. Okay. Next picture. This is your favorite fruit. What is it? Watermelon. Watermelon. Now watermelon you see, very interesting. Outside cover it's green, but inside it is red in color, and this has also got a juicy flavor. Okay, next picture. How many of you love to eat grapes? Grapes are of different colors. See, you get purple, you get green, sometimes it's a little blackish. So these are all different types of grapes, which is very good for health. Sour in taste, sometimes sweet in taste also, right? And this is also very soft. If you touch this, you will understand this fruit is very soft. Grapes, Grapes, 6-letter word. Okay? I know UKG is smiling now. Dear children, what is this? I don't have to say now. This is mango, mango. mango, mango, 5-letter word. And you see, it's yellow in color. It's yellow in color. Sweet in taste. Sweet in taste. This is mango. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. So every day in your meal, after food, what you should keep? Apple. Even the other fruits also. What's the spelling of apple? Apple. 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 Red in color. Okay? So we have done few fruits name, few vegetables name. And this one is a must one. Milk. A glass of milk every day you should drink, either at night or in the morning time, as you wish, but every day you should have milk because it will give you energy, make your bones strong enough to move, to walk, to run, to do your work. Okay? So, milk is also very important. Done? You have learnt the names of fruits, vegetables. Few fruits and few vegetables. Also milk, which is very important for your healthy lifestyle. Why do we eat all this? To keep ourselves what? Boosted up, energized. Immune should be strong. Now so many things are going around. We are not keeping well, having cold, cough, sneezing, fever, right? Diseases are there. So if you eat healthy food, it will protect you from fighting against the diseases. If you are strong, nothing will happen to you. But if you don't eat, then you will fall sick, right? So my UKG children are very good. Keep on eating all these healthy food items, okay? So in today's class, we have learned the names of the different fruits and vegetables which are good for health, Those who are not eating, start eating now. And those who are eating, clap for them. Very good, okay? Now what you have to do, something. You have seen the pictures, you have understood what are they called, you have learned the names, the pronunciation. Now ask your parents, especially mama, when she brings any vegetables or fruits at home, allow you to touch, feel, okay? Go check and the color of that vegetable and fruit and try to learn the names. I will teach you in the next class few more names, few good food which are healthy, and we need to know the junk food names also. Now, take out your CW copy and write down today's date, 6/8/21. Then you write down CW. At the top, healthy food. Now, I'm going to draw few fruits and few vegetables. Just a rough sketch we will draw, okay? So, with me, you will draw. With me, you will draw. No one should draw it for you, okay? And we will write the names so that we can recognize the things properly. Let's go for it. Date 6/8/21 CW. Topic HEALTHY. healthy. FOOD, food. Done. Let's draw the pictures. First one, tell me what is this? This is apple. APPLE. Next one. What are these? Bananas, right? BANANAS. Bananas. Done. Next one. Now tell me what is this? You know it very well. Green in color. Sometimes purple. Sometimes black. So it's grapes. 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 What is this? What is this? You cut this in this shape. What is this? Watermelon. 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 Done? Now let's do few vegetables. Let's see. Tell me what is this? I can't draw nicely, but UKG, you will draw nicely, huh? These are what? These are leafy vegetables. So, they are called spinach. They are called spinach. 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 Now, what is this? This is easy for you, I know. Tell me what is this? Quickly. Carrot. 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 So today, till this. So UKG students, did you all get what you have to do? Draw these, okay? Just to make yourself aware of the names of the fruits and vegetables. Okay. So today till this much. Meet you in the next class. GK next week we will again repeat this chapter. Be ready. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.